Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the default terminal app on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select For Developers. Make sure Developer Mode is turned on. Where it says Terminal, click the drop-down box, and then choose the app you want to use for Terminal by default. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.